Let's take a closer look at this artificial tree in a modern geometric pattern. I selected this tile pattern. Now, even though it's not made out of ceramic tile, there's about 13 different patterns you can select from that kind of matches your room decor. This plant is about 67 inches tall, and from the floor to the planter is about 24 inches, and then the diameter is about 13 inches. I selected this pattern because it gave that sophisticated botanical look to it, and these leaves are made from silk and polyester. Now, it was very easy to assemble because it came with the planter, it came with the moss and the plant, but of course the plant was collapsed and you had to pull each leaf down until you liked the arrangement or wherever you were going to set it in your room. I think it's just the perfect piece for any room decor, or you could put it in a corner, or if you want to put it in a bedroom, living room, family room. I know I will be purchasing another pattern very soon to go in my family room. I know you will not be disappointed.